Fitbod Premium Pro Strength app. The pros, the cons. Most people struggle with creating effective strength workouts, but the Fitbod Premium Pro Strength app takes the guesswork out of lifting. You won't believe how quickly it can tailor a plan based on your goals, equipment, and recovery needs. On the plus side, Fitbod generates personalized strength training routines using AI, considering your available equipment, past workouts, and target muscle groups. Each exercise comes with clear instructions and videos, reducing the risk of injury while maximizing efficiency. The app tracks your progress, adjusts weights, reps, and sets, and ensures balanced muscle engagement over time. Another advantage is integration. Fitbod works with Fitness trackers, Apple Health, and Google Fit, syncing your workouts and recovery data. Users can focus on performance and progression without manually planning every session. Premium features include advanced analytics, detailed exercise guides, and unlimited workout variety. However, there are some drawbacks. Fitbod is subscription-based, and the learning curve may be steep for beginners unfamiliar with resistance training. Users without sufficient equipment may have limited exercise options, and some features require manual input to optimize our recommendations. In conclusion, Fitbod Premium Pro Strength app is a powerful tool for anyone serious about building strength and tracking progress efficiently. While subscription costs and equipment limitations may be considerations, the personalized AI-driven workouts, analytics, and flexibility make it a top choice for achieving strength training goals at home or in the gym.